Okay guys, home screen, updating to krypton. This here may be blue diamond for Cody, or some of you have got the T. First of all, you need to delete Cody. So come to your settings, and then we're going to come down the screen and we're looking for apps. And then we're going to go system apps, sorry, my computer's running a bit slow, and we're going to look for Cody. Should be in here somewhere. There it is there, right above me. So downloaded apps, Cody. Click on it. And we're going to uninstall. And click OK. And then it's asking you if you want to install the app, uninstall the app, click OK. Once this is done, come back to the home screen. And we're going to come into Google Play, which is there. If it's not there, click on the bottom plus sign, and Google Play will be hiding away there. Click on it and press back, and then it will appear on the bottom. Once you click on this, it will put Google Play up. Some of you, if you haven't registered your Google Play, you'll just need to set up a Gmail email address to do it. If you've already got a Gmail email address, you can just use that. So in the search button, obviously type Cody. And all being that it's working, you'll come across Cody there. Which is the first one, might be the second one on your one, depending on your thing. Just install this, accept, I've just paused the video just until it's finished downloading, so you'll see it's jumped way forward and now it's installing after downloading. And again, I'm going to pause it until that's done. Okay, so now it's downloaded and installed, so you're just going to click open, and it'll open up a brand new Cody for Cody 17 Krypton. So for the first time it will look like this. And we're just going to come up. You can just use your keyboard or your controller, and you've got the little settings logo here, what's highlighting blue. You're going to click on this, and then we're going to come down and click on File Manager, and then we're going to click on the Add Source on the left hand side. And then we're going to click on where it says none and type in http two little dots / mach1.esy.es/repo. So it will look like something very similar to that. If it doesn't look like that, you typed it in wrong. So now you're going to click on OK and press OK again at the bottom, and then it's going to come back to this page here. So you're going to press back and back again. You're going to come back to this page here, and you're going to come down to add-ons. click on add-ons. And that's wrong, so me bad. So we're gonna come back to this page again, and we're gonna click on add-ons once. I pressed it twice, hence the reason it was wrong. Now, just top left hand corner, behind the little mute button on my screen, there is a little box. Click on this, and then you're gonna come down and click on install from zip. It's gonna come up with this box here. Click on settings, and where it says unknown sources, where is it? It's in the add-ons folder bit. Gonna come across to unknown sources and click on it so it's across there, and then it's gonna say that you're doing unauthorized files. Click yes. Now once you've done that, press back. Then come back to install to zip. Click on repo and then plugin. Now it might take a couple seconds, it might take a few minutes. We're waiting for a box to pop up. I'm just going to pause the video again until it's popped up. Okay, the box has popped up now. So we're going to click on dismiss and press continue at the bottom. And then build menu. It'll load up the whole menu just like you're doing a fresh install, and you're going to come down the page. Instead of looking for Mammoth 16, at the top there is one called 17.1 Mammoth Krypton. You're going to press on this. And this is probably my internet speed showing you. And then you're going to come down to fresh install. And go to continue. And then it's going to start installing it. Now depending how fast your internet's going, it might take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Just be patient. So again, I'm going to pause this video until it's finished. Okay, we're back again, guys. So as you can see, it's come up with this box and it's saying that there's 6 errors. Whatever the errors is there, I wouldn't worry about that. Just click on no thanks and then force close. Now that's the install complete, so we can come back to the first page, and obviously if your code has got the blue diamond, there'll be the blue diamond there, or the Spider-Man or whatever, or the T for Media Center. Just click on that, and what we have when it boots up is Mammoth Krypton 17. This is the exact same to what you had before, but more to update. Background server. If it comes up with this, just be persistent. Just click wait or OK, it makes no difference. Just be persistent. It's doing an update in the background and it's telling you to bugger off. Once you eventually get into the Mammoth, that is you, and it'll work the exact same way. Again, we're just going to be persistent, and it should just load you in. Now with this box, this is somebody else's box that I'm fixing, as they've installed a lot of stuff on there which has slowed it down. But what should be happening is this should be loading up into Goody, but this is more to do with what they've installed on their own box. So I'm just going to pause you again while I solve it. Okay, we're back now, guys. So as you can see, that's all working now. Exact same as your last one, just different servers. Work exact same way. As I say, just ignore the little pop-ups at the bottom that's popping up at the moment. I said this is someone else's box which I'm in the process of mending, and thought I'd attempt to make you a video. As you can see, all the same stuff's there. And just remember to let it do all its updates first. As you can see, it's doing it now itself. Okay, any questions, let me know.